And it's been a sunny one, but certainly has been cold throughout the day. Temperatures are in the 30s, with the exception of Bryan College Station at 41. But of course, those mid 30s don't feel that way. Wind chills are in the 20s right now because we still have that wind out of the north at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. All right, on we go into future track. Let's talk about what we're getting into. First, we've got tonight another cold one, clear skies, lighter winds, but that cold weather advisory is still in place. We could have some wind chills in the teens and maybe even single digits at times. We'll start out with some sun for Monday, but as we go throughout the day, there will be some clouds reaching up into the area, and by perhaps 9 o'clock at the earliest, we could start to see some of these flakes fall. Now, it's going to be difficult for these to fall because, as the newer data is suggesting, there's a lot of dry air that these snowflakes will have to eat through just to make it here. If we didn't have all that dry air and we were looking at something closer to saturation, we'd be getting more snow out of this. But right now, that just does not appear to be the case. So a lot of this snow is going to have difficulty making it down. On top of that, the duration of this snowfall isn't going to be that long. In fact, by 7 o'clock, Tuesday morning, a lot of this is already departing the area. So we're not going to be looking at snow falling for too long. Again, mainly a Monday night into early Tuesday morning kind of thing. And that, too, is going to limit our snow totals. In fact, we're getting some sunshine back once we get into Tuesday afternoon, but it still will be quite cold. We are not getting out of the 30s there on Tuesday afternoon. So what does that mean? Of course, I'm sure on the minds of many, how much are we getting? Well, snow lovers, this is not the one. It's really not going to be shaping up to be very good. I mean, even by the time we're talking Hill County and up to the north, you might not get anything. We're talking dusting to a fraction of an inch, McLennan County, Bell County, and maybe in these lighter blue areas, an inch at best. Roughly an inch here in blue, that would be about Highway 79. And then in the Brazos Valley, where there are some winter storm warnings, you might be getting that 1 inch to closing in on 2 inches of snow Monday night into Tuesday. It'll be a very fine, dry snow. The road crews are going to have an easy time dealing with it. It's not going to stick well to roads, so I don't think we're going to be talking about too many travel issues. But again, tonight, those wind chills, how it feels, down into the teens and maybe in the single digits for some places. Cold weather advisory continues. It's not going to be fun at that bus stop for tomorrow morning, as actual lows are going to be around 15 to 17 degrees. Followed by highs tomorrow staying in those 30s, maybe around 40 for Bryan College Station. And into the rest of that 10-day forecast, like I said, maybe at the end of the day by Tuesday, afternoon time, we're getting some sun back, and we'll have lots of sun for Wednesday, starting to see things warm up into the 50s and maybe even the 60s by next weekend. Here's the Brazos Valley, and again, we've got that chance of snow for Tuesday morning, mainly Monday night though, and then 45 to 50, up to 54 by Friday. Even some 60s, and I can't rule out some 70s briefly on Sunday with a chance of some storms.